Hey everybody, it's Matt, American Mustangs. Welcome back. Thanks for watching. We've got a 1965 Mustang Fastback. This is a factory Raven Black ACO car, so 289 4-barrel, 4-speed. So it's a factory 4-speed, factory Raven Black. It's a San Jose car, so it's a 5R09A car, and the car is all original metal, original drivetrain. It's had a few little tasteful modifications, the torque thrust wheels, the side exhaust, but all original panels. Body's really nice and straight. It's got pony interior. It's got the original door tag. I believe the interior was upgraded to pony because on the door tag it says it was a standard interior car. A couple mods, the steering wheel. Does have an 8K rally pack. Original radio. It's got Bluetooth. They added some speakers in the front kick panels, which if you're going to add speakers, that's really the best place so you don't have to cut the rear panels. No cracks in the dash pad. Her shifter. Car does have Bluetooth. There's a little Kenwood receiver right there. There's an amp mounted right there. It's a fold down rear seat car. Headliner's in great shape. Door jambs are really nice. You can see the quarter lines right there, down up through here, original. It's just a clean little fastback. It's a nice driver. Pop the trunk. Trunk's just got some carpet laying in it, but what I liked was the original floors are super solid. There's your original date code in the floor pan right there. You can see the original sound deadener. That's from the factory. Super clean. It's got the trap door. Sound deadener. Nice clean jams, both sides. It's got some Lakewood traction bars, side exhaust. All the gaps and everything are really good on the car. Go ahead and pop the hood here. So the engine, they've put some Cobra valve covers. They look real to me. It's hard to tell unless you pop them off and look for the buddy bar. It's got a S2MS aluminum Cobra intake. It's got the Cobra aluminum oil pan. Cracked plug wires, radiator hose. There's your VIN on the driver's side. Date code here. There'll be another VIN number under this fender. But you can see original spot welds here. And Normally this VIN on the passenger side will be under the fender, so 65, 66 cars. You had one on the rear apron on the passenger side, and normally that's hidden, but it's not. They'll be stamped out here sometimes. I've seen 65 Shelbys that I've had that it was actually an exposed VIN, but most of the time they're going to be under this fender. But you know, that's a human thing. There is the date codes there, date codes on the fenders. Sway bar's been upgraded. You can see original sound deadener, or seam sealer, excuse me, all through here. Just a nice little straight, solid 65 Fastback, and it's factory black. Let's fire it up. Car starts right up. The rally pack does work. Code 4M6. Engine's nice and quiet. Just a nice clean 65, little 2+2. And it's finished in Raven black, which, you know, factory black cars are a bigger deal than most people know. But all right, let's take it for a drive. Raven black 65 A code. About to take it for a drive. Fuel gauge is working. Temp gauge works. I just took it for the first drive, so we're at operating temperature. Tachometer, the rally pack, it's an 8K. It works. Original Ford radio. Blower motor works. It's got Bluetooth. The Bluetooth works. We got the front speakers and the kick panels. 4-speed Hurst shifter. Let's take it for a little spin. Downshift to third, downshift to second. Shifter feels great. Clutch is firm, nice and firm. Has a good rebound when you let it out. There's first. About 5,000 RPM. Second. Third gear just seems like you can just keep third gear going forever. So now we're in fourth. Fourth is definitely the cruising gear. It's downshift to third. Car handles great. Brakes are really good. Temperature's staying the same, and I was getting on it pretty good. Exhaust sounds great. Gives it that mean little rumble. Let's go to second. There's fourth gear. Downshift to third. Does have front disc brakes. Master cylinder's been changed to a dual bowl master cylinder. Would have had a single bowl originally, but it's a good upgrade in case it fails or something. So anyway, 65 Raven Black San Jose car, A code, it's for sale.